Good evening, guys. We're back. Another video at it. I've just got down Allhallows. I'm not going to be able to fish it for about another hour and a half yet. But I can get down there early then and sort of set up, get my beach shelter ready and stuff. Also, just a quick one. In this video, I hope, because it's another night fishing one, I hope the lighting's better. I bought better head torches and a better light and stuff. Not this though, this is from a petrol garage. This cost me about £3. It's really handy to have. But yeah, I do all my updates and stuff on my TikTok. I think I have mentioned this before. Just in case you are interested in seeing where I'm going next. I don't think you can see this. It's Joyce's Journey 08. On here I just put my updates of where I'm going next and stuff like that. So yeah, please feel free to give that a follow if you are interested in where I'm heading next. So as you know, we're traveling the UK for this. I know I'm just down in the southeast area at the minute, but I've got to start somewhere. Got to start somewhere, ain't I? So yeah, anyway, that's enough of that. I'm going to go and get all my waders and all that on, and then I'll see you on the beach. So we're out there. Dad's out there. I've only got one out at the minute. We just lug. Dad's just got just squid. Right, so both rods are out now. I've just got lug on them both. Are you still just on squid, Dad?
No, that was on squid and lug.
Oh, that was squid and lug.
But this one's just a squid I'm about to cast in.
Right, okay. So one of Dad's rods was getting bites, and then we noticed his line just started dropping to the beach, and it's another one missed. So still nothing yet. No catch reports. Yeah. I really hope my lighting's better for you guys. Oh, hang on. Might be a bit better. Right, bring it back when we have some in. Right, the lighting. That should be much better. Proper head torch. The worms, rods. Got the gear up there because it's quite flat. Much better head torch. On one rod I'm going to put some worm. On one. Let's take it off of that clip and put it on this one, because this is the side that I'm working. Whole squid. Frozen, but that's okay. I'm going to go through one eye and out the other. That lays on there like that. So I'll take my margarine tub baiting cradle, as I call it. So the hook goes through the slit. Yeah, the hook sits on there, keeping it all nice and clear. That sits on there like so. Push the worm down so it's more in the middle. I then take my baiting elastic, go around quite a few times.
like so. Snap it off. And then draw that out. Like so. Perfect. Beautiful. And that'll clip onto there. It's ready to go for the next cast.
Yeah. Right, so we have caught, but not our pouting. Have a guess. I'll give you a second. Wrong. It's not a £10 cod. It's this little fella. Lovely little whiting. Away he goes. Right, been a bit busy. Number four whiting. Go away. Yeah. Literally, in a matter of minutes, took a turn. Put one in, bites. Literally just keep swapping them over. Bite, 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 bite. It's brilliant. What's happening? 9 whiting so far.
What? Oh.
Yeah, I'm videoing. I'm saying I've had 9 whiting so far. How many you had?
One, unfortunately.
For one. Oh, I bet you're gutted.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's about high tide now, or tide's turned, I think, isn't it? So, use up the last lot of the bait. Hopefully get a flounder, but can't see it happening. Can't see it happening. What's happening? It's come to an end. Which packing up now. Well, packed up. That's finishing packing up. And then we're going to make a move. Yeah, good time fishing again, just whiting. And I am sorry, I keep saying I'm going to go for these fish and don't get them, but it's the card I was dealt, so got to deal with it really, because I have as well. I think we are going to have to move away from the southeast a little bit, try and get some good content, big fish, some nice big fish. That's what I think. So drop down in the comments where you think I should go. Dad would be with me next time as well, again I think, depending on where we're going. But either way, next weekend we're going somewhere. Maybe Chesil, maybe not. Maybe Dill Beach, maybe not. No one knows. But if you go on my TikTok in the week, you'll see where I'm going, because I'll put it up there. Unless you guys have got suggestions as well. And yeah, go from there. Of course, bright. Right, video's done, Dad. Right, see you in a bit. Cheers for watching.